is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. If you've already seen the thumbnail, you've seen the intro, then you know what happened. We are going to the track and finally seeing what the Camaro SS can do in stock form. Guys, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers, and that is really amazing, and I really have to give it to this Camaro. You guys have definitely liked the content with the Camaro, and appreciate everyone that's subscribed and those that are supporting me on this new challenge that I decided to take on with the 2019 Camaro. And to all those of you that don't know, of course, this is my 2019 Camaro SS, and I've got a bunch of plans and a bunch of mods that I want to do and things that I want to do with this car, and I want to show you guys how to do some of those things. That's really one of the main focuses of this channel, and that is to show you guys what can and can't be done with this Camaro SS, and also just general hands-on kind of how-tos for cars or anything that you can do in the garage. As you guys saw in my last video with the quick jacks, how to set those things up and all that. So if you haven't already and you've been watching my videos but haven't subscribed and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Help me out to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. It's gonna really be very helpful to me, and I would appreciate that so much. If you're subscribed, thank you guys, and continue to watch my videos, because trust me, we do have a lot of stuff going on. But enough about that, guys. Let's move on to this video. Alright guys, we're on our way to the track, but check this out. When you're in drive, cruising about 60 miles an hour or whatever, you just stomp on the gas and let the RPMs shoot up, and then just let go. This happens. The exhaust just pops like crazy. Sounds so good. Alright guys, about to get our first run in. I've put the car in track mode with the competitive stability track to enable our launch control and our line lock. Got the AC off. Alright guys, so I was a little too excited about that. I forgot to record on the first run, but we put that in track mode. It was in drive, and I wasn't able to do the line lock. For some reason it was tripping the thing out, so I wasn't able to get a good like burnout, but I did do the launch control in automatic mode, and it felt like it was reducing a lot of power out of that launch. It did a 1.9 60 foot. I feel maybe the tires started spinning, they didn't get hot enough, so it wasn't able to do the proper power, but it still ran a 12.5, so I'm the right lane, number 424, and it ran a 12.5 at 114 miles, bone stock. I know I can do a lot better. Probably leave the car in the just automatic launch control mode. It seems like it'll do good in that mode, and then we'll go from there. Alright, we've got my cousin here. He's about to get his first run, and hopefully the car does well. First time out on with the welds. He had some drag radials, but these are 17s and Mickey Thompson, so we'll see if he can get a good launch. He's always had trouble hooking on the launch, but now with some ice, some fresh weather, some fresh air, hopefully he can run some good times. At 125. Alright guys, so we're going for the second run right now. We'll see what it runs on the second pass. Looks like we'll be going up against a Shelby GT500. He's got drag radials, so I'm sure he'll run a much faster time than I am, but I just want to try to get my own personal best on only the second time out on this track. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so tires are nice and sticky. Let's see what this will do. Alright guys. Much better that round. Wow. And I beat out the Shelby. Holy shit. The car. Wow guys, that was actually really good. Really good. Really good. Holy crap. That was a launch. Heating up the tires, I felt, made a great difference. And that Shelby could not pass me up. I mean, woo. Yeah, I'm sure that Shelby was surprised. Hopefully the time is a lot better. We'll see. So the launch was much better and the time was much better. So that Shelby actually ran a faster time, but I cut a better reaction time and he was just never able to catch up to me on that one. But I mean, it really was pretty close. I ended up doing a very similar 60-foot 1.89. The car was stalling on the launch control at about 2100. I guess that's a good number here. I might try it maybe like at 1800, a little bit lower, see if it'll give me more power and not spin as much. But the car ran a 12.2 at almost 115, so 114.5 miles an hour. So that is really good. And it's right on par of where you expect these cars to run. So for this weather and this DA, I think it's actually going to be very, very good. This car is really strong. Yeah, the DA is about 2,000 right now, 2,000 feet. So that's not the best. Obviously not the worst, but it's not the best. So yeah, second run in, 12.2, only getting better. This time I'm gonna try doing the custom launch control and actually bringing down the RPM slightly to about 1800 RPM, because it was launching in automatic mode at about 2000 RPM. I'll bring that to about 1800 with the custom launch control feature, and also have the slip target only at 10%. So that's in the middle of what it gives you. Not really sure how that affects the car or not, so I wanted to leave that in the middle, and we'll see how she does. Guys, so yep, like I thought, we did a 1.9 60 foot, so 1.93, which is actually about 0.05 slower than, I think I had a 1.98 60 foot, and I ended up at a 12.4 at 114.89. So that was the highest mile an hour. Which is interesting. The highest mile an hour, but right in the middle of my 3 runs, 12.2. So I think I'm just gonna let this car leave in launch control with the automatic mode set and not the custom. So as you guys can see here, I'm the left lane, and that was a 12.4. I can't wait to do the mods and start actually modifying this thing, because it is going to be a beast of a car. I wish I could try it with the drag radials. I feel like with the drag radials, this thing would actually allow me to lay down more power. I feel like with the launch control, it reduces some of that takeoff power and maybe give me a better time, maybe an 11 second, 11.9. But overall, I think it did really well. Well, guys, I want to say this is a successful day at the track. The car, one, didn't break, and I mean, I wouldn't expect it to. It is, you know, all stock. And neither did my cousin's. He did really well for the weather. And two, I ran a 12.2 stock. I think that's really good. That's kind of what they're supposed to run. And in this weather, I mean, it was about 80% humidity here. So definitely, I feel confident about the car doing well. If I would have had the welds on that my cousin was using, I feel like this car with the launch control would give me that 12.0, maybe 11.9 second pass. The car launch control definitely does its thing and makes sure you don't slip while giving you the most power available for the launch. And that is where I think I would be able to get the best improvement with the 0 to 60 foot. My 60 foot time was at about a 1.9. So I think with the welds I could probably get it down to maybe 1.8, 1.7, and be able to really cut that time down to about an 11.9 for bone stock, just drag radials. So that is really impressive. The mile an hour, I mean, 115 miles an hour for a bone stock car. I remember my G8 actually bone stock didn't even break 100 miles an hour. I think that thing ran like 98, 99 miles an hour. So the cars have come a long way since 2009, and this 10 years later, this 2019 Camaro just impresses me and continues to amaze me with just how well the car performs. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up, hit the like button. Now that we've got our baseline time of a 12.27, I believe, let's see what we can do. I've got a bunch of parts that are on order or already at the house, and these next couple weeks are going to be very, very exciting because I am going to be doing a lot of modifications to this car. The warranty is going to be gone, and we should be improving that quarter mile time drastically. So I'll see you guys in the next video.